All right, so this is episode number 5 of the Code Zone. Welcome, everybody. And if you are new to this group, my name is Rob. I am the admin of the Code Zone group. And every week we try to go ahead and make one of these videos and kind of just go over what are some neat things that kind of happened over the week with the group. And so that's what we're going to kind of talk about here today. And as far as what I want to go is, obviously we got to have the member stats because we hit a good milestone this week. Also introduced a new course to your classroom library there called Data Structures, and we'll kind of show you what that looks like. And then I also wanted to show you that there's this really neat free API resource out there that could definitely help you in your journey of learning. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. As far as the community goes, man, I tell you, this is our 5th week of doing this, and we've crossed the over 100 mark. Matter of fact, I made a post about it in the community, but as of the time of this video, there is 109 members in here, and I do thank you for the growth, and I hope that this community is helping you in your journey. As far as the courses that we have live, we added another one here. So now we're up to 10, or we're up to 11. 10 was last week. This week is 11. So as you can see, like, we're continually to add courses to our library, and that's there to help you out in your learning journey. Let's go ahead and dive into the courses, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And one of the things that you might want to take advantage of while it's here, and if you're wondering, hey, how do I get access to these courses? And the easy way to go about that is coming over here to your menu bar over here on the desktop. And if you click over here, the Black Friday pricing, that's what's currently listed here. If you click on there, you'll see the various plans. And if you're looking to get access to all of the videos, it's right here. It's just $7. $7 a month gets you access to all of them. And you can start it, stop it at any time. But just know that you're locked in at that price. If the price were to go up, that it doesn't go up on you. And that's one of the important features about the Skool platform. Like I said, you'll get access to the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python courses, and any future courses that come out. They all become unlocked for you. And then the other important part here is that we have the open office hours. And one of the sticking points of learning anything code-wise is getting help. And this provides you with a way to get live help, so that way you're not stuck. All right, so enough with the promotion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the course. So if you are new or unfamiliar with the Skool platform here, if you go up here to Classroom, that's where you're going to be able to see and visit any of the courses. And the new one that we just came out with, again, we're dealing with Python, and we made a new one here called Python Data Structures. And so if we click on that, I can just show you real briefly what's all inside of it. And, every single one of these modules has a video that's associated with it. And then it also has, in this example here, accessing data in a list. You have the video module going over it where you can code along with it. And then at the bottom, it has the exercises for us to do. And it also provides us with some examples along the way, explaining everything. But one of the things as far as key learning steps here are these exercises, exercise 1, 2, and 3. And if you really want to get the most out of this, if you really want to, push yourself, you would do all 3, and you would try to do it by yourself. That's the kind of the goal of it. Is in the video we explain it, and then we go over a mini challenge, and then the exercises are for you to do. Now, what if you get stuck on these little exercises, right? Well, no worries, because the next module is the challenge walkthrough, where we're walking you through each individual exercise one by one and kind of explain it to you. Now, what if you don't get it then? Hey, no worries. We have those open office hours that you're able to visit, and that is where all that learning happens. Okay, so again, that's one of the best benefits about this Skool platform is you have the ability to not only ask that question in the group format, but you also have that ability to ask it in the calendar. If we come over here to the calendar, you'll see open office hours that I'm talking about. You can see them right here. They happen on Thursdays, okay? Eastern time, Thursdays. Okay, so anyways, that's a real great way for you to learn and accelerate your learning. And again, that's just on the premium plan. That's it, okay? All right, let's move on to the final part here of this video. All right, so this one here is a little secret website that I loved utilizing as an instructor, and I still use it to this day to help students out, which is, they are learning from a tutorial, and maybe it is in JavaScript and it's about fetching things. And, you don't want to just simply follow a tutorial. You want to try to explore and get some wins on your own without following a tutorial. And this is a great site to kind of develop that, meaning that, hey, let me take a look at something that I can go ahead and use in here. And it's going to be totally different than the tutorial that I just watched because I'm going to be grabbing data from a website that was not fully explained to me in a video. And so I've seen it where students could come in here and they can go and get some random cat pictures, or maybe they wanted to do a weather app, or based upon your location, pull all the events that are coming in. And so this one gives you a lot of thoughts, a lot of ideas on what to create that's kind of outside of what was taught in the tutorial. But the pattern is still there where you're grabbing the information, but some of these are going to be ones that there are not a tutorial on, and that's really going to kind of stretch your brain here. And it can be anything as well as, utilizing some map API data. And so a lot of these are going to hopefully give you some ideas on what you could use, what you could build by grabbing data that's already in a database and displaying it, right? Or just scraping the data from it. So anyways, it's just a thought for you guys to try out. So with that being said, lots of things are coming to the community. I did make a post earlier talking about what do you want this community to be. Make sure you take a look at it because I do want to make sure that I'm doing the right things for this community because it's your community, right? Whether that means bringing in some guest speakers, whether that means, hey, let's do some live teaching, live lessons. I don't know. I didn't want to spoil the pool there by giving ideas, but I definitely want to make sure that you guys are supplying these ideas. That way we can make this community really good. All right. So with that being said, we'll see you in the next weekly update.